In this video, we will see how Scalefusion enables IT admins to remotely manage firmware and OS updates on Zebra devices using Zebra LifeGuard OTA directly from the Scalefusion dashboard. To get started, navigate to Update and Patch Management in the left sidebar and select Zebra LifeGuard OTA. Before you can push OTA updates, you need to link your Scalefusion account with Zebra. To do this, click on Configure. A new browser tab will open, redirecting you to the Zebra login page. Sign in with your Zebra admin credentials. Once signed in, Zebra will display an activation code on your device. Confirm this code to complete the authorization. After successful authorization, you will be taken to Step 2, Edit Settings. Here, you can configure the firmware update conditions that will apply across your Zebra devices. Under Installation window, set the start time and end time to define when updates will be attempted on devices. In the video, the installation window is configured from 2300 to 4 o'clock. Ensuring updates are pushed during off hours to minimize disruption to frontline workers. Next, under battery settings, you can enable install only when device is charging to ensure updates do not run on low battery devices. You can also set the minimum battery level required for installation. Here it is set to 30%. Once your settings are configured, click Save. Once setup is complete, Zebra Enrollment Manager and Zebra Common Transport Layer apps will appear in the Application Management library, confirming that the integration is active and devices are ready for LifeGuard OTA updates. This is how you can configure and enforce Zebra LifeGuard OTA updates across all your managed Zebra devices.